In today's video, I'm actually be showing you money making applications that will pay you to watch videos. So let's get started with today's money making method. Now, the first money making application I want to show you guys and show you payment proof at that is going to be this new ZYNN application, the new Zen app. So I'm going to show you how you can actually make this money happen very fast, because within a couple of hours I have already accumulated $10, and I'm about to show you the payment proof right now. So if we go over here to the present tab real quick, you can see right here that I only have a cash balance of $1.78. So if we click right here on where it says cash, and we can see how much we actually redeemed. So it says right here pending, but I have just received this money a couple of minutes ago, and I just got through actually redeeming the money around 5 minutes ago, guys. So as you can see, this is the payment proof right here, guys. I have just got through receiving that $10 today, this morning, for doing absolutely nothing. And if you want to learn how you can actually make money passively with the ZYNN application, come over here and watch this video. I'm gonna leave the link right here at the top right hand corner of this video that you're watching right now, so you can get started and learn how you can start making some passive income. So if you are interested in making passive income with this application, and if you're interested in using this application, make sure to click the link down in the description of this video so you can get started making money right away. So now let's move on to the next application. Go. So this is the next money making application that's going to pay you to literally watch videos. I have made quite a lot of money with this application itself, and it is so super easy to use. So now if we scroll down real quick, I want to explain some stuff to you about this application itself. So as you see this bottom screen of this screen right here on the actual app, it has like a little timer sign on it. So that timer sign is going to continue to move across the screen, and once it reaches this little treasure chest within 30 seconds of watching the videos, then you're going to make some free treasure chests, guys. And that is the purpose of this actual application, is getting these treasure chests so you can actually open them up and get some points for doing it. So I actually show you how you can actually make passive income with this application by doing the same method as the last one, guys. So if you're interested in watching that video and doing the same exact process, make sure to again to click on that link right here at the top right hand corner of this video and start watching that. Look, I just got through receiving one gift right there. So as you can see, guys, this is, if we click on the rewards tab, this is what it's going to look like. Now you're going to get 5 special spins, and you're going to start to get some of these treasure chests once you start to watch videos. And it is super easy to actually redeem these treasure chests and start making money. All you got to do is just click on them and then just start to redeem some money. As you can see, I'm already at $4.23 right there, 100% passive. If you follow the directions inside of the video, that shows you how you can make this passive, guys. So these are my top 2 money making applications in 2020. So start making some money by watching videos. You can see right here, guys, I just got through creating this Discord a couple of days ago, and I'm trying to drive some traffic to this, which I already have a total of 27 or 33 members, guys. How crazy is that? If you want to join in on this Discord, because I recently just given away a free $5 and just out of nowhere, guys. So if you want to start getting some free money for doing absolutely nothing but just joining the Discord and learning about different money making methods, like right here, let's talk, you can see my video right here, guys, which is a really funny one, because this was my advertisement whenever I was in wholesaling houses or real estate. When I made an advertisement, and this was like a couple of years ago when I was into selling real estate, and I just was motivated, and this was like pretty much my first video I ever made on camera and actually showed another human being, or human beings at that, guys. So I was kind of shy inside of this video, but it's a really cool one, and I'm starting to show you guys more and more about about me and more about how my brain works and different money making tactics and methods. And on top of that, guys, Virus has recently just got a couple of referrals on some of his actual links that he's been posting inside of this Discord as well. So Virus, I really appreciate you joining in. And on top of that, guys, this Nadav, I really appreciate you as well, man. I really appreciate you as well, and thank you guys for actually joining in on this Discord and starting to grow this community. I'm going to start giving away a lot of money on Discord itself once the community starts to grow. And even on top of that, guys, I want to let you guys know about this premium up here. And the reason why I'm having a premium and I'm actually charging you guys to be a part of the premium, and it's only $10 a month, is because I'm going to literally help you guys out and the way you think, because I used to be the same way. I used to be that one person that never was so shy to make videos or so shy to actually get in contact with another person. But I have learned the ways on how to actually change my mind and learn the ways on how to actually just take action on something. And I want to help you guys out with that. If you have a business that you need help with any opinion, any help with the way your brain thinks, I'll be more than happy to help you out and tell you exactly what you need to do in order to start helping your brain change the way it thinks, because we have all been trapped inside of like a circle from whenever we were younger and told what we need to do and what needs to be done and what bad things, and don't talk to strangers and all this other stuff, guys. But if you can change the way you think and change all the negativity that is inside your brain at the moment, anything is possible on this planet. This is a planet that is an economic planet, guys, so you can start making money. Money is unlimited. The Federal Reserve just keeps on printing money, guys. Printing money. That means money is just everywhere. And if we are all here and wanting to make money, guys, I'm going to be the person to help you out, because I am still in that transition to being wealthy. I am still in transition on changing my brain, but I have learned a lot. I've been studying for almost 6 or 7 years on how the brain thinks, of different money making methods, on real estate, on how your credit score works or how the credit system works, on different stuff, guys. So that's only $10 a month. And if you do not like the information that I'm giving you, go ahead and just cancel the subscription. It's fine with me. I'm just here to help a group of people out to get started in their life, to get started in their future. So make sure you click on the link down in the comment section of this video and in the description if you are interested in joining the Discord and being a part of this growing community, because I'm going to keep on growing this community as much as it takes in order to get a lot of people helping out each other, guys. So this was just a video for me to show you a new side hustle that you can possibly get started right away and start making some money while we are all at home, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.